AI tools for research writing assistants, or we can say the AI tools for the researchers. Because last few times AI is the, you can say, most useful uh, model for the researchers. And at some point, researchers are also lacking where they need some assistance. So there is so many tools available these days, and researcher can utilize these tools for enhance their research accuracy, enhance the quality of their writing, reports, paper, thesis, any of the research document. So we will discuss the few important things about the application of these tools. What are the few factors we need to focus when we start using these tools for the research writing? First of all, we need to discuss the AI tool employed in the research writing. Means which are the major field where a researcher can take the help, can take the assistance of these tools. So first is the literature. As a researcher, when we start extracting the literature on a particular topic, or we can say when we start with any research, we need to collect the relevant information from the literature. So first task is the literature search. Searching the relevant literature about our idea or any particular topic we have selected. And in earlier, we used to visit the libraries of some of the organization and collect the data. Then some online database make this task some easy. And we perform search with the suitable keywords in the online database and we get the relevant papers. After collecting the information or the sources, the researcher go through all the papers and identify the relevant sources that is useful for the literature review. Now, this task of the literature search, AI tools can automate. AI tool can help the researcher quickly and efficiently scan through the vast amount of the literature. And further, researcher can identify the relevant sources, article, papers, book in the, you can say, few seconds or in the few time, very short time. Second thing is summarization. Once we collect the literature, researcher go through the complete paper and then extract only the important information that is relevant to our study in that particular paper. So AI tools can assist the researcher in summarizing these large volume of the literature and providing a concise overview of the existing knowledge, existing information on our selected topic. So this is the capability of the AI tool for the literature review. Second thing, data analysis, statistical analysis, because in the researches, we conduct the research. And after gathering the information from any type of research, we need to analyze the collected data. And we have to find some trend, any pattern, any relation in the finding to explore our research outcome, to explore the scope of our research, to provide some new information in the existing knowledge on that particular topic, to explore the novelty and map the outcome of research with our objectives, with our research questions. We have to identify the pattern, correlation, trend in the research findings. Now, these AI tools can perform this task easily. Data visualization, because in any of the research document, we need to present the information in a better way. It should be interactive. It should be attractive to the reader. And from the research, we have the data. So data can be generated in an interactive and informative way to make it more visualized, to communicate our results in the better way. And this is the requirement of the all the research documents. Either it is research paper, it is a review paper, research report, progress report, synopsis, thesis, any grant document, proposal, whatever it is, data visualization is very important. So AI tools are ready to perform this task. Next is the writing assistance. In writing assistance, we can say grammatical errors, any language style. Sometimes US style is preferred, or any particular UK style. But these days, AI tools are efficiently performing this task to improve the clarity in the research documents. They can improve the grammatical part and style of their writing, because we have to write every content in a flow. It should be in a story manner to attract the attention of the reader to read all the content. To make the content impressive, these things are sincere. And another part, plagiarism detection. Most of the AI tool can identify and prevent the unintentional plagiarism, because there is in many type of the plagiarism. So any unintentional plagiarism can be easily prevented by the AI tools, because most of the AI tools are, you can say, perform the task of paraphrasing. So they detect the data as per their trend database from the literature, and then paraphrase and present the information in such a way that the similarity cannot be detectable. So they are just trying to replace their human mind, because when we writing the paper, so pre-experts so just ask to take the information from the different sources, but write the content in your own voice. So this AI tool try to present the content in the different voice. So the plagiarism is prevented when we use these tools. Next is automated research writing assistance, and next is the automated research writing. Means generating the content, what we have to write, how to draft, how to structure the research document. That is the main task in any of the documents. Suppose I am willing to write a research paper. Then first of all, I will plan how to structure the different component, what thing we have to write under the individual part. So if you are using the AI tools, so it can suggest us the particular pattern, outline of the paper. Then it can generate the particular summary, or you can say some brief description in the outline what we have to write under the particular head. Even the AI tools can, you can say, generate the complete research paper if we can provide the input data and the parameters in a proper way. And second thing, in the writing, paraphrasing. So AI tool can be employed to automatically paraphrase the content to maintaining the original meaning while improving the overall writing quality. Then the language translation. Sometimes in many of the areas, the local language, or you can say the language preferred for the writing articles, may be different, or it may not be the uh, you can say any language that is preferred worldwide. These tools efficiently translate the language of the complete article. And sometimes, suppose any scholar is not perfect in the professional language, that is the, most probably most of the language is English, and perfect in the local language, then he or she can use these tools to convert any research paper in their local language, and then they can read and understand that message very easily. Next is the topic modeling clustering. Under this heading, we can say the AI tool can assist the researcher in identifying the theme or the pattern within a large data set. And that practice would help the researcher to organize and categorize the information in different subgroups. Because sometimes when we are selecting the research work, research, you can say methodology or the particular design, then how to set the particular pattern, that is difficult. And we design our research, start our experiment work, and we get the data under the different heads, then the identifying the pattern, that is very difficult. But these days AI tools can this task very easy. And this, you can say, uh, pattern identification will help the researchers to organize and better present the information under the different categories. One more important, you can say, task, that is the speech to text and text to speech conversion, that will save the time of the typing and some time to understand the writing message. So the transcription services, that AI tool can convert the spoken language into the written text and the vice versa. And this service, we can say, facilitate to transcription of the interviews, focused group discussion, or any other recorded content. Using this particular option, or you can say service, scholar can record the voice of any of the conversation with any expert, with any supervisor, senior, junior, or any conference or any telephonic call, and then he or she can convert into the text, can be sent to the any person in the form of text, or vice versa. We have the text, we can convert into the speech and to send to anyone, or we can not only just to send, we can utilize in our research task. Then prediction and the model. The AI tools are helpful to build the predictive models on the base of the outcome data or the existing data. Predictive modeling enable the researcher to make informed projection and the predictions. Some particular area where the prediction is important. These particular tools can build a model on the basis of the existing information, and they enable the scholars to make the projections or the prediction about on the basis of the existing informations, and reviewing and the peer evaluation. AI tools can be used for the initiating stage of the peer review, helping to identify the potential issues, areas of improvement in the research papers, in any other research document. These tools can be used for validating any methodology, checking the credibility of any sources. So these are the major scope or area where a researcher can use the AI tools. AI tools are providing the solution to most of the issues, you can say, faced by the researchers. But main thing is that there is no replacement of the human mind. If any researcher or anyone think that the human can be replaced, or that there is no need of the researcher mind in writing of the work, in performing any research, that is 100% wrong. Because in my opinion, AI tools can assist you, but your mind involvement is important. Otherwise, you cannot draft or cannot prepare a good research document. So if you are considering these tools as a assistance, then it is fine. But if you are believing on AI tool blindly, then it is totally wrong.